This happened today, 329, 4:15 in the morning, 2025, I-65 in Kentucky, headed south below Elizabethtown, Kentucky. Me and the bus in front of me, went to the middle lane because there is a semi-truck with his four ways on. Four ways means he's going slower than traffic. So we climbing the hill. I'm at 67. You still see his four ways flashing ahead because he's going slower than traffic. I do not know how slow he's going because he's a little bit ahead of me. But to be safe, get in the middle lane, get around, flashing lights, move over for slower traffic. Still got his four ways flashing. I'm at 72 miles an hour, headed south, going down a hill. Here I'm 73. And if you look in my right mirror, here comes a truck, decides I shouldn't be in the middle lane at 75 miles an hour, which I'm doing right now. Speed limit 70, and that's the truck right there, blue Cascadia. Yeah, he thinks he's badass, so watch what he's going to do. I'm doing 74 miles an hour, speed limit 70. And he decides to try to show me a lesson. See, I'm stopped to pause, 74 miles an hour. 73 miles an hour, because I saw him coming. I knew what he was going to do. And I had to slam on the brakes, and I high beamed him, and I yelled at him on the CB. Told him what kind of piece of shit he was. Yeah, he almost wrecked. If you saw how swervy he was right there. Yeah, let's watch that again. Okay, this is normal speed. Let's watch out what he does. Here he comes. I'm doing, like I said, 74 miles an hour. Speed limit 70. Guy just turned off his four-way flasher. So I was going to move over to the right lane. But this idiot decided to try to show me a lesson. This was 33 feet after I had to hit the brakes. As you notice, I went 74 to 68. What an idiot. Have a great day.